Introducing the excellent price galvanized steel coil pre-painted T-Engine ASTM A527 galvanized steel plate ASTM A36 galvanized steel sheet. With a variety of certifications, this steel coil boasts a range of selling points, including its excellent price, superior coating, regular spangle type, and more. Made with high-quality materials and advanced techniques, it is perfect for various applications such as making pipes, cutting sheets, and making small tools. Trust in our brand, UFA, for professional and authentic galvanized steel products. Purchase now and enjoy a fast delivery time of 7 to 15 days.